Hey trendsetters, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a quick mini tutorial on how I do my flat soft locks. As you can see, I put them in box bricklay parting, and I braid her hair all the way down due to the fact that if I'm not able to take out her locks, she can take them out by herself, and it's a very easy and simple process. That way she won't have to cut her hair. I know sometimes when some of my clients get their soft locks, they tell me that they have horror stories about them cutting their hair or somebody not braiding their hair all the way down, and they end up having the locks in for a very long time, and it ends up intertwining with the synthetic hair, so it's hard to tell whether it's their hair or if it's the synthetic hair, and they ended up cutting their hair out. So I like to braid my hair all the way down, and then what I do is, since if you have longer hair, I pretty much crochet your regular hair through your root and pull it over, so it's kind of like a shorter piece. And then I take the Afro spring twist crochet hair, and it's by Outre, and I put it through the root as well. And I don't make it even. You can make it even if you want to, but I particularly kind of do like half a little bit up and then the rest of it down. And I take the shorter piece and I kind of just take that longer piece and wrap it around the shorter piece, pretty much. If I'm explaining it right, if y'all understand what I'm saying. But yeah, I'm gonna do it again in the next couple of clips so you can have a gist of what I'm doing. And also, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And talk to you later, trendsetters.
Spin, 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 spin. No, I can't let them knock me off my pivot. This a Nissan, not a Honda Civic. Walking with Christ, but I'm not religious. No, I don't gotta work for your forgiveness. We off of the hinges. Can't you see that we standing on business? You know the route we gon' stand on. Spin, 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 spin. Watch how I turn away from all the sin. Spin, 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 spin. I'm about to spin, 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 spin. Spin, 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 spin. We off of the hinges. Can't you see that we standing on business? Brand new logic, brand new topics. Mama said I should've took the scholarship to college. Could've did that, but I just wasn't rocking. Wasn't my path, took a ball like Stockton. Can't look back, look at all I accomplished. Songs popping, shows popping. Thanking the Lord I got bread in my pocket. Thanking the Lord he the reason I got it. Remember back then I was chasing the money, but it wasn't really filling my soul. I was just trying to go and chase a bag, and I was running from the problems at home. Chasing clout, but we're losing my people. We was going back and forth on the phone. I was so stressed I had to call sativa, so the drama would just leave me alone. Now when I'm stressed I take it to the throne. You can't hold all this weight up on your own shoulders. Stand on the rock, that's a big body boulder. This how I look when you 5 years sober. This how I look when you 5 years free. I'm different but still keep the fire with me. The Bible with me and it's loaded. Ready to shoot at the lie that you trying to speak. Spin, 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 spin. No, I can't let them knock me off my pivot. It's a Nissan, not a Honda Civic. Walking with Christ, but I'm not religious. No, I don't gotta work for your forgiveness. We off of the hinges. Can't you see that we standing on business? You know the route we gon' stand on. Spin, 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 spin. Watch how I turn away from all the sin. Spin, 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 spin. I'm about to spin, 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 spin. Spin, 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 spin. We off of the hinges. Can't you see that we standing on business? We gon' stand on it. Get the Bible, put your hand on it. Everybody think they going up, but you never fly if you don't plan on it. It's the beach, put the sand on it. Life a movie, put the cam on it. I know that G.O.D. will never fail. Like Mr. Beast, I put $1,000 on it. You know the route we gon' stand on. Spin, 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 spin. Watch how I turn away from all the sin. Spin, 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 spin. I'm about to spin, 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 spin. Spin, 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 spin. I'm about to spin, spin. We off of the hinges. Can't you see that we standing on business? You know the route we gon' stand on. Spin, 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 spin. Watch how I turn away from all the sin. Spin, 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 spin. I'm about to spin, 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 spin. Spin, 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 spin. I'm about to spin, spin. We off of the hinges. Can't you see that we standing on business? register. Always set apart, we regular. And my brothers with me on a regular. Ex-girl hit me on the cellular. Shawty, why you still teasing? Why you think I said I'm leaving? Tell me who do you believe in? Cause I'm running with God all season, and I can't go back. It's all love, but I can't react.